Alright guys, this is the power and play charging station for the PS3 controllers. I thought it was kind of cool. When you're not playing, you can just, just simply charge your controllers. Alright, yeah, it's kind of already open. It kind of just slides right out. That was the packaging. And, there it is. Right there. Comes like that. You got your adapter here. Plugs into the wall so you don't have to use a USB on your PS3. It's kind of convenient. Nice grip so it's not sliding around. It's going to sit there. It's going to be firm. Oh, I just happen to have a controller right here. Kind of just goes like that, and you're done. It's kind of cool. I do have another controller around here somewhere, but yeah. And another one would go right there, just like that. Then you hook your power cord up at the back. You have 2 additional USBs at the side, and yeah. If you really wanted to, you could play, but I wouldn't. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe.